Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going ahead and doing a review for the company DivaTresscom. They contacted me a couple of weeks ago and we've been chit-chatting back and forth. They wanted me to review some of the crochet hairstyles on the website. So they did give me the option to go ahead and pick whatever hairstyle I wanted. And this was one of them. I was actually really excited when they contacted me because it's definitely a website that I've used in the past. They have a lot of amazing synthetic wigs and crochet hairstyle. More so, I've always been on there for the crochet hairstyles because it's less time consuming and you can keep it for a longer period of time. I don't like long hairstyles. I don't really do the braids or the twist anymore unless it's crocheted in because I do it myself and I don't have 3 days to dedicate to just staying at home doing my hair. I still work every day, 8 hours straight. So I like stuff that's fast that I can easily do after work and still be able to go on with the rest of my day. I did pick the Bobbi Bae Locs. This is what they look like. I believe each pack had about 20, maybe I'm wrong, or 10 strands of crochet hair. They already have the loop in it, so it's easy for you to just easily crochet it through your braids. This is 20-inch long, which is the perfect length for me because I'm a short girl. So 20 inches, honestly, this is almost reaching my butt. Yes, so it naturally came with the accent that you see in it. So all this stuff, these little jewelries that I put in there, I did myself, but the yarn that you see on here, it came with it naturally, which I really love about it. It made it so much easier to style it. This was a very easy hairstyle for me to do because I did it on a Friday around, let's say, 4 or 5, and I was done with it in enough time to go out that night. I absolutely love this. Just the fact I've been wanting to try the dreads crochet hairstyles since it's been out because everyone that I see be rocking it, whatever. But I've been really scared that it's heavy, and being that it's summertime, I was like, I'll probably wait till winter time. But if I'm telling you guys, this is so light, I'm not even kidding. It's very light, and 5 packs was more than enough. I feel like use 5 packs and you'll be good. Anything more, I'm going to assume it's just going to get heavier. Okay, so the color that I got it in is PM2/30. I know they have several other colors. They have like the tie-dye lock or accent locks, and they also have metallic gold. But this is the one I have. I will definitely be ordering this hair again. I'm telling you, like, I went out Saturday night and I'm in this lounge and everyone's like asking me where I got my hair and all that stuff. A lot of people liked it a lot. If you guys like that braiding look, you like that twist, you like the locks, and all that stuff, they have a good variety. And the fact that it's crochet, easier life for me. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys a couple of ways I do style this hair, or if you want to get it out from touching you, if it's even any hotter. The summer here has been super hot, not to complain because the winters here are very brutal. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. The first way I have it done is just taking, I purposely put these 2 accent crochet close to my ears. So it's there. I just have it tied to the back of my head. If you know how to tie, this should be pretty easy for you. Another easy way you could do is just pull this together and just put a hair tie on it. One of those big natural hair scrunchies. You know what I mean? If you're natural, you know what I mean. So this is another good way to just get it out of your way when you're trying to do stuff. Like, I work with kids, so it's very important to have my hair back and not in my way and not bothering me all throughout the day. I really don't have a scrunchie right now, so I'm just gonna hold it. But you guys kind of understand the concept of that. Obviously, you could also put it in a ponytail. The way I did it is I'm gonna untie it so you guys can kind of see. I braided inward, like in my hair itself, And then on the outside, I individually twisted or individually parted them. You can see my little hair sticking out, but not a big deal. You know what I mean? Just to make it look like it's not crochet, but it is on the inside. No, I'm not kidding you guys. This is so pretty. It's my first time trying it. I was so nervous when I was doing it on Friday night. I kept asking my little sister, like, does it look cute? Like, I thought I was about ready to take it out. But yeah, because I did it this way, I can easily pull it up into like a high pony. Funny thing, I'm actually heading down to a reggae festival on Saturday, so this is gonna be the perfect hairstyle for it. You guys should definitely go ahead and check out DivaTresscom. See for yourself. Go ahead and place orders, whatever you want to do. Play around. There's a couple of hairs that I have my eye on that I definitely need to check out, so I'm definitely gonna go back. Synthetic wigs, which is something I don't wear a lot of, or at all actually, so I'm definitely gonna go back there and get this one that I really want. And then I also want to get some braids and order like smaller, like thinner crochet, because I am traveling next month. So I want something thinner when I do go swimming that's easier to wash. I don't want to have to wet this, if you guys know what I mean. Let me know down below what you think. I will have the link for this hair down in the description box. If you guys are interested in it, feel free to click the link and go and purchase it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by at my channel. I hope you like this hair review. If you guys want to see how I did this, or my braid pattern, I guess, go ahead and comment down below. I could probably get something like that up. Not super hard. I'm sure you guys can look up lots and lots of videos on YouTube that would show you the same braiding pattern, and you guys can go ahead and get that from there. But let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about the hair. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video as well to show your friends, you know, you like the video, and share it with your friends too. If I see something cool that I like to watch, I usually share with my friends. So don't forget to go ahead and share. Thank you guys so much for stopping by at my channel. I will see you on my next video. You guys, I feel like every time I'm on camera, I'm hoarse. My voice is always leaving me. Oh, but yeah.